Okay, welcome back again. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the algorithm for converting a fractional number to base 2. So, fractional number to base 2. Right. So, we are going to talk about the algorithm that we are going to use. So, let's see. In this case, I'm going to start from, so we have our values being n1 is going to be what? Our n, our initial value. Right. Now, we have the algorithm. We're going to have this 1 if 2k, 2nk is greater than or equal to 1, 0 if 2nk is less than what? 1. Right. So I'm going to perform nk plus 1 being equal to 2nk minus b minus k, where k starts from 1 to going until nk is 0. So looking at this algorithm, the first number, the initial number, we multiply by 2, then the result that we get, if the number is greater than or equal to 1, then our bk will be what? 1. If the number is less than 1, then it is what? 0. Okay. Until our nk is 0. So let's take an example on that. Let's take an example there. Convert 0.8125 to base 2. Now, using the algorithm, let's make it simple for us to. Let's use a table. Let's draw a table to write it on it. We are starting from k. K are having the values from 1 going. So 1 in that order. Now, we have 2nk. What will be the answer there? Then we have 2 minus k, b minus k. Then we talk about, we subtract. So from here, from the algorithm. So we are separating this and this. Then we subtract 2nk minus what? B negative k. Then we do the calculation. Now let's see. This number, the first one, becomes what? Our n. So first one, we're going to multiply by what? So our n1, right? So let's multiply by what? 2. So when we multiply this by 2, the result will be what? 1.625. This number is greater than 1. So we said that if it is greater than or equal to 1, we are going to write b negative k as what? 1. Then we subtract this minus this will give us what? 0.625. Then move on to the next step. This here, we multiply by 2, this number. Again, so you multiply by 2, what are you going to get? You get 1.25. Then this is still greater than what? 1. So you're going to get 1 here. You subtract to get 0.25. Then you multiply by 2 again, because we've not gotten 0 yet. So you keep on doing it until our nk is what? 0. So let's see. When you multiply by 2, what are you going to get? You get what? 0.5, and this is less than 1, so our b negative k will be what? 0. Then we subtract, still get 0.5. Right. So let's see. Let's continue. Let's continue with the workings. Now the next one, if I multiply 0.5 by 2, I'm going to get what? 1. Because this is greater than or equal to 1, so this is going to be what? 1. Then we subtract, we're going to get 0. Now our n key is what? 0. So we will not continue again. Now from here, our values will be what? 1, 1. So count from the top. You write it from the top. 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2. So it's point. Remember, this is a decimal number, right? So it's 0.1101 base 2. That is that. When it comes to converting a fractional number to base 2 using the algorithm, it's quite simple, right? Don't forget to subscribe to Learn Math with J. Thank you for watching.